the kitchen. I'm Chef Victoria Love. Today we're gonna make a lemon poppy seed pound cake. I love the lemon poppy seed combination. Can't wait to make this for you. We're gonna have it with flour, sugar, salt, baking powder, vanilla, unsalted butter, eggs, and lemons. I'm gonna use my microplane zester to get all this beautiful lemon zest off those lemons for full flavor. Let me get my mise en place together and I'll show you how to make it. Please subscribe so we can bring you more recipes. Thank you. I use my microplane zester to get all of the zest off the lemons. This is about 6 lemons, so the zest is 1.5 tablespoons. And what I like to do with it is I like to put it in with our sugar. So this is our 2 pounds of sugar, and then smush up that lemon zest with the sugar because it helps to break it up. Otherwise you get these sort of like large clumps of the zest in the pound cake, and if you take the time to just do this, it helps to separate them and then it evenly disperses throughout the batter. I have all my mise en place together, and it's really important whenever you're making a cake to make sure that all of your ingredients are at room temperature. So we've had our eggs sitting out for a while. I have my milk and it's been sitting out for a while, but if you're at home and you didn't put it out, you can always put it in the microwave and zap it for like 20 seconds to make it warm. So you want to make sure that it's not cold. And then our butter, of course, you want it soft. So if it's soft enough for you to squeeze it like this, you're ready to make your cake. And again, if you forgot to take it out, pop it in the microwave for about 15 seconds until it's soft enough to put it in. I've got my 3 sticks in there already. I'm going to add this one. So I have 1 pound of butter in our machine, or 4 sticks, and we're just gonna put it on low speed to soften it. As soon as your butter has softened, make sure you use a spatula and scrape off the paddle attachment to get all the butter off of it, and scrape down the sides of the bowl. And then we're gonna add in our sugar and lemon zest. I need 2 hands. There we go. Again, we're gonna put it on low speed and mix that together. Again, scrape off your paddle, and now we're gonna add our eggs. We have 8 eggs, so we're gonna add them 1 at a time, or 2 at a time. And we're gonna mix it until it's fully incorporated before we add in the next egg. Once you see the eggs are fully incorporated, we're gonna add in the next set. That's my microwave, sorry. So we're gonna add in and mix that. So you're gonna repeat that until all 8 eggs are completely incorporated. While the butter is mixing with the eggs, we're gonna add our dry ingredients to our flour. So we have 1 pound, 12 ounces of all-purpose flour, and to it we're going to add 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of baking powder, and 2 tablespoons of poppy seeds. And just stir that together. Once we get all those eggs in there, we're now gonna add 1 teaspoon of vanilla. And don't forget, make sure you scrape down the sides to get all the food off the edges. And then mix it on low speed. You don't want all the ingredients to come up out of the machine all over the counter. Always everything I do baking wise I do on low speed. We have a lot of flour to put in, so if it makes life easier, remove the paddle and now add in all of your dry ingredients. Again, we're gonna mix it on low speed, especially with all of those ingredients in there. You don't want it to go all over the counter. And we wanna mix this in until just when the flour is combined. As soon as you see the batter coming together like this, we're gonna stop because now we're gonna add in our milk. And it should be room temperature or even warm. So if you do need to, put it in the microwave and heat it up for 30 seconds. 2 cups of milk. And then very gently, you might even have to sort of turn it on, turn it off so it doesn't splatter everywhere. We're gonna mix that in, and you wanna continue to mix it until it's completely combined. So as soon as you see it come together, you wanna stop the machine. This is a cake, not a bread, so we don't wanna overwork the gluten in the flour, so make sure you turn it off. Now we're gonna get it into our mini loaf pans, and we're gonna bake them. Now I have a little mini oven here at the school, so I like to bake 3 of these mini loaves at the same time on a sheet pan, and I need to spray them with non-stick cooking spray. And I like to use this big ice cream scoop to portion it into the mini loaf pan. So you want to fill it up 3/4 of the way up the side of the pan. Get this filled up. So I'm going to get these into my 325-degree oven. Here are our beautiful finished lemon poppy seed loaves. They look so great. And I made a couple small ones as mini muffins so that way I could taste one. All right, let's check this out. See how light and fluffy that is? All right, let's take a bite. That is so good. Oh, this is lovely. You could even use this, slice it up and use it for a strawberry shortcake during the summer. Fantastic. That was so good. I hope this inspires you to make it at home, our lemon poppy seed pound cake. Please check out all the videos on our YouTube channel. Thank you so much for watching. For more recipe demonstrations, please click like and subscribe to Chef Victoria Loves YouTube channel and have fun in the kitchen. Thank you.